Welcome back, Bears. I'm Dayla, one of your senior anchors. Today is Monday, August 25th. Are you ready for the third week? Tomorrow, the Lady Bears volleyball team looks to add another W for the season against Harlan. The game is at the Northside Sports Gym at 5:30. BF&D, ladies. And teachers and staff, think about buying a program cotton t-shirt. Small to extra large are $15. Extra large plus shirts are $17. Coach Melissa Daly will collect money whenever the shirts arrive. If interested, complete the Google form she sent out. Bears, you're doing a great job at not blocking the crowded hallways. Keep getting to class on time. If you need college advice, stay informed with daily updates from your Career Center advisor, Catherine Gonzalez. Join a Remind group for your class with the code, or stop by to see her before and after school, or during the lunch periods in room A142. Finally, the open house and advanced academic parent night is Wednesday from 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Get your parents here to meet your teachers. You can also get information on advanced academics and join the PTSA. This is all we have for today. Be sure to follow us on X at BTV Bears and also look for us on Instagram. If you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. Have a great day. Let's keep a positive mindset, stay engaged in our learning, and continue to evolve every day.
This is a BTV production.